Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC, or Diagnostic Trouble Code P0175, indicates that the fuel system on the front bank 2 of your Honda Accord, is running too rich. The vehicle's powertrain control module, commonly called PCM, uses various sensors to assess the fuel and air mixture being burned in the engine. If the PCM dials into excessive fuel injection due to sensor readings, it will register this code. The front air-fuel ratio sensor, which is responsible for measuring the oxygen content in the exhaust gas, plays a critical role in this system. When the PCM calculates that the long-term fuel trim factor is above acceptable limits, it triggers this error code. Recognizing this DTC is an essential first step for ensuring both performance and fuel economy in a Honda Accord. The error description outlines that code P0175 is tied to an excessively rich fuel condition in bank 2 of the engine. The oxygen sensors, specifically the front air-fuel ratio sensor, located near the exhaust manifold on bank 2, measure the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. The sensor signals the PCM, which regulates the air-fuel mixture to ensure optimal combustion. A properly functioning fuel system requires maintaining a stoichiometric air-fuel ratio, which is the ideal balance necessary for efficient engine performance. Since the bank 2 sensor is crucial for determining the fuel injection needs, any issues originating from it or its connections can contribute to this richness problem. Several factors may lead to the DTC P0175 being recorded. First, a fuel pump failure could inhibit adequate fuel delivery. If the injectors malfunction, they may dispense fuel incorrectly, either too much or too little. The fuel pressure regulator may have an issue too, which would disrupt the intended fuel pressure. The manifold absolute pressure (MAP) sensor is responsible for gauging the vacuum in the intake manifold, and discrepancies may lead to an incorrect air-fuel mixture. Lastly, a malfunction in the front air-fuel ratio sensor will directly skew the PCM's calculations, resulting in increased fuel flow into the combustion chamber and generating this DTC. When DTC P0175 is triggered, various symptoms may manifest, which are essential to identify. Drivers may notice a significant drop in fuel economy, causing extra trips to the gas station. Rough idling can occur due to an imbalanced air-fuel mixture, resulting in engine performance issues. The onboard diagnostics will likely illuminate the check engine light, indicating an underlying issue requiring attention. Additionally, excessive exhaust emissions may become evident, which may not only be harmful to the environment, but could also impact the vehicle's compliance with emission regulations. The first troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and maintaining it at 3,000 RPM without load. This rev range ensures that the engine runs in a controlled state where various electronic sensors can operate optimally. Once the engine is stabilized at this speed, it's crucial to wait until the radiator fan engages, which indicates that the engine has reached a temperature conducive for testing. After that, allow the engine to idle while monitoring the parameters that come from the airflow and fuel delivery systems. During this period, the PCM will gather data relevant to the fuel trim conditions that will aid in diagnosing whether the system is functioning correctly. After the engine idling step, you'll need to drive the vehicle at a steady speed between 15 and 75 miles per hour for at least 15 minutes. This driving condition allows for the collection of real-world data that reflects how the engine performs under normal operating conditions. While driving, it's essential to monitor the long-term fuel trim, which should stabilize around the value of 1.0. If the long-term fuel trim varies significantly during this driving cycle, it may indicate that there's still an underlying issue present affecting the fuel mixture. Successful completion of this step would suggest that the vehicle is either functioning adequately or could potentially have a minor problem. After making any necessary repairs, final verification is crucial to ensure that the DTC has been resolved. This requires checking for any stored diagnostic trouble codes and ensuring that DTC P0175 is no longer present in the PCM memory. After clearing any existing codes, a test drive is essential to confirm the effectiveness of the repairs. Drive the vehicle under similar conditions to those previously encountered that triggered the DTC and check if issues or codes reappear. Confirming the absence of the DTC and stable fuel trim readings indicate a successful repair process. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0175. Regular inspections of the fuel system components, including the fuel pump, injectors, and fuel pressure regulators, should be part of the vehicle's maintenance routine. It's also important to occasionally check the air-fuel ratio sensors for signs of wear or performance issues, as they have a direct influence on fuel delivery. Furthermore, utilizing high-quality fuel can enhance engine performance and longevity, preventing buildups that can lead to sensor or fuel system failures. Proactive measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of expensive repairs and maintain optimal vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0175's implications is vital for maintaining the smooth performance of a 2012 to 2017 Honda Accord. Identifying the potential issues that can lead to a too rich fuel condition can save both time and money in vehicle repairs. It is crucial to perform regular checks of the fuel and air systems, ensuring all components are functioning harmoniously to prevent this issue from arising. The importance of preventive care can never be overstated, as it not only improves performance, but ultimately extends the lifespan of your vehicle. Staying informed and proactive will foster an efficient and reliable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.